Hi, my name is Shinda Sharan. I'm a register number CUA15CSC56. So the aim of this experiment is to analyze the application layer protocols. So today we are going to talk about protocols which are DNS and HTTP. So as we all know, HTTP and DNS server come under the application layer protocol. So we'll see their uses in this particular experiment. So first off, as you can see, I've created 3 WLAN networks with 3 other LAN networks. So first off, I've connected with the PC, the other 2 with the servers. Now I take this server and I assign it and I go to the services, go to DNS and turn on the DNS service so that this will serve as a DNS server for the client and the server. And I give the name, I've given the name as www.example.com and I give the address as 172.116.1.129. So it is already added, as you can save it, and I just save it. So now we have this particular server as our DNS, which acting as a DNS server. So I go to this other server and I click the services, and HTTP is automatically on, so we don't need to do any other changes for it. So okay, so now we have a client and a server and a DNS server for our needs. Now we have to assign IP address for each of these networks. For that, for this LAN network, I've assigned it as 192.168.1.0, and here it is 128. And I have assigned different network addresses for different LAN and WLAN networks. Here, as you can see, it will be 1.0 series. This is 10.0.0.0 series. This is 192.168.2.0 series. Similarly, 11. And each of the default gateways of for these end devices is assigned respectively based on the previous network address of their broadcast address. The basic thing that happens in this particular network is that when a client sends a packet that is in a web browser, if it sends www.example.com, that is, it sends a request. The request is first sent to the DNS server, which processes that particular request from the client and sends the IP address of that particular HTTP server. So when the client requests that web address, it is first under the DNS server, and the DNS server sends the IP address of that particular HTTP, that address, and it sends it back to the client. So when the client once again sends the packet, it directly goes to the HTTP server, which is nothing but example.com. So this can be better explained by. So I go to web browser and I give www.example.com. So I give go, and as you can see, a packet is created. So I send it. So it is sent to the DNS server. So when it's sent back, let me do it again. I give go. So now, as you can see, the packet is sent to the server from the DNS server. So the IP address of the website is gotten to the client. So when I capture forward it again, so the packet is automatically sent to the server, which is nothing but www.example.com, and it is gotten back by the client. So this is a simple DNS and HTTP protocol working. So this is how it's done. So we have a client and we have a server. In between we have the DNS server, which acts as a intermediate or a medium in order to send that particular IP address of the website which the client requires. So when the client sends the packet, it straightly goes to the DNS server. The DNS server processes it and sends back the IP address of the website. So when the packet is once again sent from the client, then it is directly gone to the IP address given by the server, which is nothing but the website which you require. So this is my experiment, and thank you.